Look at this, I'm running NemoClaw completely on my Chrome browser without any hardware specs or VPS completely for free. So Nvidia recently dropped NemoClaw and it is completely breaking the AI engineering space right now. It is an enterprise-grade secure sandbox that lets autonomous AI agents write, test and execute code without accidentally destroying your host computer. But if you look at the tutorials blowing up right now, everyone is telling you the exact same thing, that you need massive GPU or you have to rent a paid Linux server just because setting up Docker locally on your laptop is a complete nightmare. That is completely false. Today I'm going to show you a developer loophole. I'm going to show you how to bypass the hardware limits, skip the Docker installation headache, and run Nvidia's NemoClaw completely for free right in your browser. And if you're tired of all the no-code and N8N hype on YouTube and actually want to learn applied AI engineering, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Before we start building, you need to understand what we are actually deploying today. Because right now everyone on Twitter is getting NemoClaw and OpenClaw completely confused. OpenClaw is the agent, it's the brain, it's an open source project that went mega viral because it can autonomously write code, browse the web and execute terminal commands to build a software for you. I also uploaded 2 videos of it, you can just check that out. But here's a massive problem. If you run OpenClaw directly on your Mac or Windows machine, you're giving an AI full root access to your personal hard drive. One bad prompt or one hallucination, the AI could accidentally delete your system files, break your environment, or push your private API keys to the public web. So that's why Nvidia dropped NemoClaw. NemoClaw is not the AI, it's sort of Cage. It's a secure enterprise-grade Docker sandbox built by Nvidia specifically to contain agents like OpenClaw. So when the agent wants to run a Python script or download a package, NemoClaw intercepts that command and executes it inside a completely isolated disposable container. It cannot touch your real computer. If the AI completely breaks your environment, you can just delete the sandbox and spin up a new one in 2 seconds. And that's how Fortune 500 companies are running autonomous agents in production very safely. And today we are going to set up the exact enterprise architecture, but not for $0.13 per hour, but completely for free. So to run NemoClaw, we need a Linux environment with Docker installed. Docker is basically a platform that allows developers to package applications into containers. And if you try to install Docker desktop on your personal Mac or Windows machine, you're going to spend 3 hours fighting permission errors. And we are going to bypass that entirely. Just go to github.com and just log in. We are going to use developer feature called Codespaces. First, click this new button to create a blank repository. I'm going to name mine NemoClaw free agent. You can leave it public or private, doesn't matter. Scroll down and hit create repository. Now here is the secret. Click here, create a code space, and then click new code space. It will set up a code space for us. So basically GitHub is dynamically spinning up a dedicated Linux virtual machine for us in the cloud. The machine has up to 32 GB of RAM and blazing fast internet, and the absolute best part is Docker is already pre-installed and pre-configured. I have GitHub Pro, but GitHub also gives every user 120 hours of this per month. We just got our enterprise grade server for $0 and we didn't have to pull out a credit card for that. Now that we have the hardware, let's install NemoClaw. I'm opening the official Nvidia NemoClaw documentation. Right here under the Get Started guide, there is a single bash command. You just have to copy the string and go back to your code space. Here into the terminal at the bottom, paste this command and hit enter. And the installation will begin. So what used to take 20 Linux complex commands is now done in a single line. But right here, the installation pauses because it's asking for sandbox name. I'll just name it as Claw. And we'll keep installing. Okay, it again pauses. It will ask you for an Nvidia API key. NemoClaw doesn't come with an AI built-in. It needs a large language model to do the actual thinking. And we are going to use Nvidia's official API to get access to one of the most powerful coding models in the world right now, completely for free. Just open this link, build.nvidia.com, and create a free developer account here. Nvidia is currently giving away massive amount of free API credits just for signing up. So here on API key, just generate an API key. I'll name it as NemoClaw, generate, and then copy this long string of text. Do not share this with anyone. Now go back to your Codespace terminal, paste that key and hit enter. Next, the CLI asks which model profile we want to use to power our OpenClaw agent. I'm selecting the Nemotron 3 Super 120B model. This model is an absolute beast at reasoning and software architecture. And because we are using Nvidia's cloud API, our free GitHub machine doesn't have to render a single token. Nvidia server are doing all the heavy lifting. Here my sandbox got some error. I just ran this command and it's running good. So our agent is officially live and fully authenticated and logged securely inside the container. In your terminal, type NemoClaw claw connect. Okay, now type OpenClaw TUI to launch the terminal user interface. And look at this, we are now communicating directly with our autonomous agent running securely in the cloud. It's a blank slate as of now. Let's give it an identity. I'm going to type this, I'll give it a name. You can see it's streaming here. Now watch this. I don't want a generic assistant. I want an engineer that know my stack. So I'm giving it this prompt. I'll just paste that in. So Luna immediately asked for my little things, my world, my basics and all. So here I can just paste a quick brain dump about myself. You can see here I have pasted this. So Luna isn't just replying to me. She realizes that she needs to remember this. Autonomously, without me asking, she opened its own terminal, create a memory folder and write its markdown file. You can also see how many tokens are being used here. And because of NemoClaw, she did all of this file writing inside a secure sandboxed container. My actual GitHub server files are completely safe here. And here we go. We just deployed a secure autonomous AI agent with persistent memory. It's running on cloud server powered by Nvidia's 120 billion parameter model for exactly $0. And in my future video, I am going to give Luna a single master prompt. I'm going to let her autonomously architect code and deploy a full SaaS application for me right here on the terminal. If you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And I have dropped all the links, the Nvidia API page and official NemoClaw commands, everything in the description below. If you hit any errors during the GitHub Codespace setup, you can just drop a comment and I'll help you out in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.